Young Ace Supply, get paid in full. I'm bagging up, shaking, watching paid in full. Hard Knock Life School, I never been a fool. Like pool with 8 balls, yeah, the white be on cue. Crucial, more literal, shit is critical. Every day could lead to my funeral. Niggas homesick, on the corners homeless. Nah, but just lived in the street every moment. Not gossip, but it's biz up in the street. Product of the street like Pops jizzed up in the street. Pigs in the street, pigs in the helicopters. Never knew swine flu immune. Tell a doctor. Making a toast to each and every dollar. Knowing departure can come before tomorrow. So I creep like Zorro, no swords, just hollows. No hero facade. Escaping from the bureau after leaving my mob. Yep, I go hard. Before I go out, I'm leaving blood and scars. Surviving the drought, gotta see through the mirage. Looking out for hate that'll infiltrate your squad. These ain't bars, it's real conversation. I spit these here bars for those incarcerated. Niggas' occupation be constant just hating. Won't get any rich if they pay me no attention. Not to mention on the edge, don't push me. Mama ain't pushed a pussy, out her pussy. These cats ain't dogs, call them barking pussies. King like Tyreek, I don't play like a rookie. Schooling these niggas, I'm the one that played hooky. Head of my class, man, kiss my ass.
Okay.